Nase kaunti ya Kisii, mwanasiasa Mheshimiwa Rachael Otundo insi kiombekerikia Kisii Governance Watch niganyariko bakagwesokia na gukwandira industrial park yakagire kwagachwa sensemeria ya bumachoga muno mwaziri mukoro busia chagetwe amuno mwaziri mukoro tenerete amangana yiga Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria ase serikali nene yarite ira yokubwatoka chibesa goika 1 million 250 na biga serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii ebwatoka chibesa bunecho bunenjire moyogo chikokonya industrial park kwagachwa eriko bakonya abasaye kwegandaria senchire rengia nigo Rachael Otundo esokire na gotabanga guikira boniga nigo emerobirio etaragendera sensemeyo nabo igo ire yoterekera na senchire rengia sabodia bara yabaga baesokire na kwanege bunanko bwatiriria bare amagendera iga erinda chikorenta kuigora mabaga yechigasi na gokonya menyu bechinsemeyo cyo kwegandaria
Secretary ya Kisii Governance Watch nchunda tego tabanga nduga situ okuligirira kigasi yandete kobo na bali birugo dutu ko basaba mukore gasi n'ubiya nande ntumura tore siko ga tukuri birugo tutaranyora we have to keep you on check uma tukorere gasi ndia wala liswali mukate sirero no gotebanga ntubwate alia kurende Aggregation Centre iliya yo Kenyenya galia SCS Moses Kuria agita kaibura Aggregation Centre iliya alikuwa gachiro around 500 million. 250 million was supposed to be given by the county. 250 million was supposed to be given by the national government. So far, information about 150 million was released from the county to do that business. The contractor, but so far, also on the ground, what is there? Nothing much has been done. So the question we are asking, the contract the Yankee corrupt, they go and ask because 150 million is not loose change. Secondly, why is it that the governor, this national government, the remaining 250 with the job? Aggregation Centre create jobs for our youths. So that is the question we are asking. So to the governor, in place, follow them and follow them fast. So we are asking the contractor, what is the problem? Or we are asking the county government to give us an audit of what is happening, what we are asking, and to understand because these are our projects. And we must follow because is our money. We must follow and we must be kept to understand what is happening.